Kajing hiar ka pule ka puthi ha Meghalaya ka long shisha ka jingle ranya ka jala hi brokway ha ka badang shen ka kaipot bala palait da ka sarkar pedeng ka pini ka jingpoi ka Meghalaya shatrai do ha ka nikaliang uba hima chang priang ha bai krem bikla pathai khobor ula pinsingo ye katto ka nitali ki daw ki ba ploy ka jala ban hiar ha ka puli puthi ka wei ne ki daw ba ka long ka jingbam biang ki ying school but ki wei de ki jingdan kam tam e ha ki thain nong kandong.
The rating has gone down so much that it is really embarrassing for all of us. It is also astonishing as to why the rating of education has gone so far down the list in the whole country. To my mind, I would like to attribute to the lack of facilities, the lack of infrastructure in the rural sector particularly. If you take a visit of any rural areas in the state, you'll agree with me that all the government LP schools require new buildings, they require good roofs over the buildings, they require repairs, they require extensions, and most of all they require good furnitures.
Kini ki jingduna ki wanra ru ki jingpap school shiteng por jam ki khna.
See, this is the reason where we find a lot of dropouts. A lot of children are dropping out. They are not finding interest in the classroom. There's no interest in the classroom. There's no proper chair or table to sit. There is no proper blackboard. Books are being shared between the children. If there is a rain, the rain comes down into the classroom because the roof is leaking, and so the teacher has to declare a holiday.
Kumtau karpad ka sarkar jala bakan phai khmat bhasha kani ka banta babin pinbyang no ki jingduna haki school ki badan hapo ka jala.
I sincerely urge upon the government to provide the infrastructure required for an conducive environment for the student and the teachers to teach and to learn in these schools that the government has provided.
Ulai thuru baki babon ki school kimdani ki no hikai ki babyang lani ki no hikai ki blathong na ka sarkar hindre ki no hikai hi ki thum kala de ki wei pat ban hikai ha ka jaka jongki uba shang plyang ula dawa baka sarkar ka reban ploy ka jing tokit ka babanya halor ka ni ka benta but pen pinsange ma do de ki ni ki kam ki balong bi an.
There are schools run by the government in the remotest part of the state which are not run by the appointed teachers. The so-called appointed teacher will again let out or allow somebody to teach on his behalf, and he pays some amount of his salary to this particular person. Now, when the government has kept a criteria for a teacher to be selected, initially they said DLED pass. Now they say MTET pass. Now how this teacher who is an MTET pass has the authority and the audacity to hand over the teaching to somebody that he selects, who does not even have any qualification which is specified by the government. Now these are instances which I am bringing forth, and I want the government to inquire into this. I want an inquiry into this, and the government should look into this seriously, that such practices should be stopped forthwith. It is happening. It is happening. Therefore, I want the government to take note of what I am saying and try to find out where and in which schools in the state, particularly in the remote areas of the state, why such practices are happening and why such practices are being allowed.